Hello children, how are you all? Hope that all are fine and safe at your home. Did you complete the work that I given earlier? I think most of you were completed your work. So we already completed one lesson. So today we are going to learn the second lesson. So before we started our class, we have to discuss some questions. So we normally know that there are 29 states in our country. So the 29 states people were wearing different types of dresses or clothes. So we normally like to wear modern dresses. So today we will discuss which are the different types of dresses the people wear in India. We normally know that Kerala people were wearing what which are the types of dresses Kerala people wearing? Which are the types of dresses Kerala people wearing? Which are they? Kerala people were wearing sari, then they were wearing lungi, t-shirt, jeans, like that. So we have to learn what dress Gujarati people were wearing. We have to learn what dress Gujarati people were wearing. So they were wearing hagri. Gujarati people were wearing hagri. Then we have to learn what is Sikkim people wearing. We know that Sikkim people were wearing bakku. Sikkim people were wearing bakku. Their dress we can simply call that bakku. So you have to learn the other states' dresses. What are they wearing? So did you ever notice what dress your grandmothers wear? Did you ever notice what dress or which type of dress your grandmother wearing? So we know that grandmother were normally wearing saris. We know that grandmothers were normally wearing saris. So which dress do you like most? Which type of dress do you like most? Which dress do you like most? Modern dresses. Today we are going to learn the second lesson. Our second lesson name is Granny's Sari. So our second lesson name is Granny's Sari. Granny's Sari. So we have to learn who was written by this story. So it was written by Asha Nehemiah. It was written by Asha Nehemiah. Next one we are going to learn who were the main characters of this story. So the main characters are of this story. So the first one is a sari. So the first character is a sari. Then second one granny. Second one is granny. And the third character is Anu. Third character is Anu. So the first character is sari, then second character is granny, then third character is Anu. Then we have some three supporting characters. We have three supporting characters. Supporting characters. Supporting characters. They are, one is a policeman. A policeman. Then the next one is Lakshmi. And the last character is Lakshmi's three children. The last character is Lakshmi's three children. So these are the characters of our story. Then we have to look the story. Then look at your textbook, page number 20. Granny's sari. In the space given, draw a beautiful design for your granny's sari. So there is a small box you can see. You can draw there a beautiful sari for granny. Granny loved her green sari. So granny have a green color sari. So she loved the sari very much. One day the wind blew it away. So one day the sari flew away. So today we are going to learn what happened next. If granny get her sari or not. So look at the textbook. Granny's favorite sari was a very special one. So granny have a green color sari. So she loved the sari very much. It had a picture of a printed forest on it. So it has the picture of a printed forest. There in the forest were pictures of spotted deer playing in the grass. So while we have to look at granny's sari, we can see the picture of a forest, and in the sari a deer playing on the grass. Next to the deer were fat lions sleeping on the rocks. Near the deer there is two fat lions. So what was the fat lions were doing? They were sleeping on the rocks. The lions were sleeping on the rocks. The deer play on the grass and the two fat lions were sleeping on the rocks. Near the rocks was a stream. So near the rocks, there we can see a small stream. Stream means small river, where a mother bear was busy catching fish for her baby bear. So near the stream we can see two bears. So one mother bear is catching fish for her baby bear. High up in the tall trees, when we have to look at the trees, we can see there were monkeys and squirrels eating nuts. So the monkeys and squirrels were eating the nuts. In the high up the tall trees, the monkeys and squirrels were eating the nuts. So we can see a deer. The deer is playing on the grass. Next one, we can see there two fat lions. The lions were sleeping on the rocks. Then third one, we can see there a baby bear and a mother bear. The mother bear is catching fishes for her baby. Then fourth one, we can see there squirrels and monkeys. They were high up in the tall trees. With them green parrots pecked at juicy red fruits. So we can see there parrots. What the parrots doing? They bite the juicy red fruit. When Granny wore her green sari, so when Granny wear her green sari, it seemed as if all the animals printed on it were alive. So while Granny wearing her green sari, when she walked, we can see that the animals were also living and moving, and she walked. While we have to show that when she walking, the animals were also walking. Have you understood? Okay, I hope that you were understood this part. Then we have to discuss some new words from this lesson. So we have to discuss some new words from this lesson. So your first word, you can see the first word in your textbook, that is favorite. So the first word is favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. So first word is favorite. Did you know the meaning of favorite? We can simply say that dearest. Simply we can say that dearest. Favorite means dearest. Next one we are going to learn special. So the second word is special. Second word is special. Then what is the meaning of special? We can simply say that special means not ordinary. Here the meaning special, not ordinary. Special means not ordinary. Then we are going to learn the third word. Third word is printed. Third word is printed. Then what is the meaning of printed? What is the meaning of printed? Made marks. Made marks on a soft. Made marks on a soft surface. Made marks on a soft surface. Then first word is favorite. Favorite means dearest. Then second word special. Special meaning is not ordinary. Then third one is printed. Printed means made marks on a soft surface. Then next one is spotted. Next word is spotted. S-P-O-T-T-E-D. Spotted means marked. Spotted means marked. Spotted means marked. Then we have to learn the next one, stream. Next one is stream. Next word is stream. Next word is stream. What is the meaning of stream? Small river. Stream means a small river. Stream means a small river. Then next one is pecked. Then next word is pecked. Then pecked means bite. Pecked means bite. So these are the words we learned today. The first one is favorite. Favorite means special. Favorite means special or dearest. Next one is special. What is the meaning of special? Special means not ordinary. Special means not ordinary. Then next one is printed. Then what is the meaning of printed? Made marks on a soft surface. Printed means made marks on a soft surface. Then next one is spotted. The next word is spotted. Spotted means marked. Spotted means marked. Then next one is stream. Stream means a small river. Stream means a small river. Then next one is pecked. What is the meaning of pecked? Pecked means bite. So I hope that you will understand these words and meaning. Then we have to discuss some questions. We have to discuss some questions. So where were the monkeys and squirrels? Where were the monkeys and squirrels? So you can look at your textbook. You can see that. Where were the monkeys and squirrels? Were they? Yes, high up in the tall trees. They were high up in the tall trees. Then next one, what does the mother bear doing? What does the mother bear doing? We can see that mother bear is catch fish for the baby bear. Mother bear catching fish for her baby bear. Then third question, where did the lions sleeping? Where did the fat lion sleeping? Where did they sleep? They were sleeping on the rocks. They were sleeping on the rocks. Then what did the parrots doing? What did the parrots doing? What did they doing? We can see that a parrot is sitting on the tall tree, and what did it do? It was pecked the juicy red fruit. She was pecked the juicy red fruit. Then I will give you some work, that is your homework. You can write that in your notebook. So your homework is in your textbook page number 23. Your homework page number is 23. You can see there. You can see the textbook page number 23. This is your homework written. Then match the animals with what they are doing. Match the animals what they are doing. First one is a parrot, then second one is a squirrel, then third one is lion, and fourth one is a bear. So you can read this also, then you will get the answer. Okay, I hope that all you were understood this class. Thank you.